first one of the day. New client with his rather filthy Duke 890 GP. This is his daily commuter. Unfortunately, he's never had it properly cleaned or protected, and it's showing. Oh, she is filthy. Such a shame, such a lovely bike. Oh, bit of road rage going on out there. Look at this chain. Come on, people. We need a little bit of chain lube. That's knackered, that chain. 2022 plate. Anyway, this gentleman's going to go with one of our full Monty valets. XCP corrosion protection. We're going to put some ceramic on these wheels as they're so difficult to keep clean, being a lovely bright orange. We'll get these all cleaned up, get them prepped, get them polished, and get some ceramic on it and get rid of all that burnt on tar. Unfortunately, this is molded plastic, so you can't really do much polishing on the bodywork, but we will give it a misting of ceramic once it's all cleaned up. These wheels are filthy. Loads of rusty nuts and bolts. We've got our work cut out for us with this one. It's going to be quite a transformation. So let's get cracking. Work a bit of chop magic. Alright, 35 minutes in, the back wheel is now clean. That was filthy. So it's been fully degreased, decontaminated, all the burnt on brake particles have all been removed. I've scrubbed the disc, got all that rust off the disc the best we could. Now we move on to the front wheel. I've degreased all up underneath as well. Now we're going to do the same with this front wheel, and then we'll move on to the motor. Okay, hour and a half in, finally she has been thoroughly washed, degreased, decontaminated, and now blow dried. So the next step, we just blow dried every bit of moisture out of that chain. We're going to give it a good soaking. We use the XCP chain lube. Really does get in there well. It's a non-fling. We'll soak it with that inside, outside. We put a bit of paper towel behind it so we don't get it anywhere else. And then we'll top it off with the Silkaline titanium gel just to give it that new look. But let's get it soaked up first with the old XCP. Alright, the exhaust is now had a nice little polish. Just going to touch up a few rusty nuts and bolts. I know a lot of people are against painting them, but I just don't have the time to remove each and every one of these. So we put a little nice bit of silver on those screws there. We'll sort out these banjo bolts. Then I'll get it back on these stands, and we're going to ceramic these wheels. I'm going to give them a bit of a wax first, as they were in such a state. So we're going to ceramic the wheels, and then we'll get the XCP corrosion protection on it. It's loads of bits. Rusty, so we're going to give it a good old coating, but I want to do the ceramic first, make sure that gives a nice adhesion. right, there you go. Just under 3 hours. This KTM 890 Duke GP has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, look at the gloss on those wheels. This has had on our legendary full Monty valets with a bit of extra ceramic, XCP'd all the motor, all your bits and pieces, nuts and bolts which were a bit rusty, have had a bit of touching up. Those wheels have come up a right treat. We airbrushed the ceramic, good old Ultimax Signature Pro. Exhaust has all been polished. I said everything's had XCP. All your banjo bolts have all had a bit of attention. Nice little brushing of XCP. Looking sweet. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.